Hello students, as we have finished exercise 4.1, let us start question number exercise 4.2. Question number 1 is just similar with the exercise 4.1, so I will just omit it. Question number 1. Let us start from question number 2, exercise 4.2, question number 2. So class 8, exercise 4.2, question number 2. Question number 2 says that find the cube root of the following decimal number. So question number 1. Question number 1 is, as you can see, 3.37. So we need to find the cube root. So we write therefore cube root. So cube root of 3.375. 3.375. First of all, this decimal we need to remove it. Then only we will find the LCM of 3375. So this one we can write it as under root 3375 divided by 1000. Why 1000? 3375 divided by 1. Now after the point decimal, after decimal 1, 2, 3. That's why 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. Now for this 10, 1, 2, 3, simply we can write 10 to the power 3. If you multiply 10 3 times, you are going to get 1000. And what about the 3375? This one we need to take out the LCM. So 3375. Always, as I told you, whenever you find the LCM, always you see the ones place, unit place. Unit place is 5, so we will take out it by 5. 5 6 are 30, 37, 5 7 are 35, 5 5 are 25. Again 5 1s are 5, 17, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 2s are 10 and 5 7s are 35. Again 3, now 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So you can see 1 2 and 3, that means 3 1 2 3, 5 also 3, so 5, both of them are 3 times, 3 also 3 times and 5 also 3 times. Here power also 3 times, that means 3 all the 3 is cancelled. So what is 5 3s are 15 and divided by 10. 5 3s are 15 divided by 10. Now since 5 3s are 15 and divided by 10, we have 1 0, that's why we will put after 1 digit point. So 15 we have, we will not write this 10, 1 0, so after 1 digit point. That means the cube root of 3.375 is what? 1.5. That means 1.5 if you multiply 3 times. So 1.5 into 1.5 into 1.5, you are going to get how much? 3.37. Let us do Roman number 2. Roman number 2 is minus 0.000729. Minus 0.000729. So therefore cube root of 0.000729 is equal to similarly the cube root of 729 by 1. 729 by 1. So up to the point is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 digits are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now cube root of 7, first is 1. See 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means we can write 10 to the power 2 to the power 6. Sorry, 10 to the power 2 to the power 3, because 3 2s are 6. Power or always it should be 3, because 3 only we are going to cut it. Now cancel. Now 729, we will take out the LCM of 729. When we take out the LCM of 729, we are getting 2 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 2s are 3 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So we are getting 1 2 3, so 3. Again 1 2 3, so 3. So this 3 also cube and this 3 also cube. Here minus is there, so we will write minus any one form here, okay, not both. So you can write even outside also or inside also, anyone, anywhere. Now 3 cancel. So we have 3 3s are 9 by 10 2 times, so 10 10s are 100. Here minus, so minus will be there. 0 point after 1 digit point, so 10 100, so after 2 digit point 10. 10 square means 10 is a 100. 100 means or 2 digits. So 2 digits means after 2 digits we need to put the point. So 0.09. Here minus, so here minus. This is Roman number 2. Now let us do Roman number 3. Roman number 3 is minus 1.728. Minus 1.728. So therefore cube root of minus 1.728 is equal to cube root of minus 1728 by 1. So after the point is 1 2 3, so 30. Now cube root of minus, so minus. Now cube root of first one is 10, 1 2 3, so 3, and here minus, so 1 plus 1728 will take out the LCM of 1728. So when you take out the LCM of 1728, always, as you know, they always need to see the unit place, no, unit digit. So 2 is the 16, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 is 4, again 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, again 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, again 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8, again 2, 2 2 is 2 7 is, again 3, now 3 now, 3 9 is 27, and 3 3 is 9. So we are getting 3 1s are 3, so 1, 2 and 3. So we can write here 2 into 2 into 3, all of them are cube. See, it is cube, okay? If it is cube, now, if it is cube, minus you have to write only once, okay? Only once. So cube, 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 all are cancelled. So we have minus 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 by here 10, so 10. That means minus 12, but 1 0. Means after 1 digit point, that is minus 1.2. So minus 1.2, if you multiply 3 times, you are going to get how much? 1.7 minus 1.728. So only Roman number 1 2 and 3 from question number 2. The rest are the same method only, so just no need to do all, because I want to clear the concept only. Concept is main for mathematics.